In this lecture, you will learn how to create simple, repeatable rituals that anchor your day, sharpen your focus, and reduce mental overload. For high achievers, the real enemy often isn't lack of discipline. It's decision fatigue, internal pressure, and mental clutter. Morning rituals help you start with clarity, while end-of-day rituals help you shut down with intention, so your brain isn't working overtime even after hours. These aren't generic wellness tips. They're targeted, science-backed systems designed to support high performance without burnout. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to design a low-effort morning ritual that limits decision fatigue. Use a mental shutdown routine to prevent thought spirals at night. Build daily cues that nudge you toward consistent, focused action. Why rituals matter for overthinkers. When your brain is always on, the transition moments, starting work, ending the day, become danger zones. That's when the spinning thoughts creep in. Did I forget something? Should I do one more thing? What's the right place to start tomorrow? Without structure, you slip into what researchers call cognitive drift, mental wandering that eats up energy without moving you forward. Rituals stop that drift. They're not magical. They're mental habits with a starting line and finish line. Morning ritual. Start without the spiral. You don't need a 5 a.m. wake up or a 10-step miracle routine. You need clarity in the first 15 minutes of your day. Here's a minimalist morning ritual designed for overthinkers. The 3 things. Start. 1 touch point. A calming signal. No phones yet. Light a candle. Open a window. Sip your coffee while looking outside. 1 quiet action that says, "This is the start." 1 written line. On a sticky note or notepad, write the answer to, "What's the one thing I want to finish today?" Not a list. 1 win. This reduces overwhelm and narrows your focus. 1 movement. Stretch your arms overhead, step outside, walk to the kitchen and back. It signals action and breaks mental fog. Example. Emma used to start her day by scrolling through her email. It left her scattered. Now she lights a candle, writes 1 priority, and takes 10 steps on her balcony before sitting at her desk. "I get more done in the first hour than I used to get in the whole morning," she says. Night ritual. End the day clean. Overthinkers don't stop working when the work stops. They keep replaying what went wrong or what could go wrong tomorrow. Here's a realistic shutdown routine. The close the loop ritual. 10-minute mental download. Grab a notebook. Write down everything still bouncing in your mind. Unfinished tasks, worries, and notes. No organizing, just dump. Highlight 1 win. Ask, what did I handle well today? Even small. I made that call. I kept calm in the meeting. This rewires your brain to exit the day feeling capable. Physical close signal. Shut your laptop. Turn off your desk light. Play a song you love. Say done out loud if you want. Your brain needs an ending. Give it one. Example. Sam used to wake up at 2 a.m. thinking about work. Now he closes each day with a 10-minute mind dump and turns on 1 specific playlist. "I'm still a high performer," he says, "but my brain shuts off now." Tool. AM plus PM Ritual Builder. Let's keep this simple and doable. Write this down or print it out. You're going to design a short morning and evening ritual using just a few prompts. These are not time-consuming tasks. They're mental cues that help you shift gears with clarity and control. Morning. 1 sensory cue to wake your brain. Example. Light a candle, open a window, sip warm tea. 1 written priority for the day. What 1 thing will make today feel successful? 1 short movement. Stretch, walk, or anything that connects you to your body. Evening. Where will you brain dump lingering thoughts? Notebook, notes app, voice memo. Just get it out of your head. 1 win you'll record. What went right today, even if it was small? 1 clear shutdown cue, closing laptop, brushing teeth, a specific song. Tell your brain, we're done. Try this for just 3 days. Keep it under 15 minutes. Adjust as needed. The goal is not perfection. It's consistency that clears the mental clutter and builds momentum. Progress doesn't come from intensity. It comes from consistency. And consistency starts with rituals that fit your real life, not someone else's version of productive. The more grounded your starts and ends are, the less space there is for overthinking to sneak in.